What's up, folks? Craig. What's up, folks? Craig Mack here, Liberty Bell Beekeeper. So we're out on a Sunday morning. It's getting toasty here in Pennsylvania, a section called Sharon Hill. Ow! Got to beat up my pant leg. Just got me. So we got a removal here today. So this old home has been under construction, getting a new roof. Show you what's going on here. So this is the house, and that stung. It's got this severe pitched roof on the sides around the dormers, and we got bees that are coming up right in the corner. One of the usual suspects for honeybee removals. The bees get into the dormers where the roof lines meet in the corners. And that's what's happened here, but we're on the other side of the house. So the roofers were here tearing off the roof, putting it back together, and they uncovered some bees. So from what I understand, the bees have been here for quite some time, and by the looks of it, that's correct. Got a couple of boards here already covered in bees, collecting some honey. And we're gonna go, so they tarped over this whole side of the house because it was exposed and we were getting some rain, so I got a rope and pulled the tarp away. So when I'm done, I can just leave the tarp back. But let's show you what we got going on here. So inside of that space is basically nothing. It's an old house, plaster and lath on the inside, old studs, and we got some bees. So this is about almost 30 inches, between 24 and 30 inches. And we got what looks to be 3 or 4 rows, 3 or 4 sheets of comb. The entrance was up there in the corner. They foamed it shut, not realizing that that doesn't do anything. And the bees just started coming and going from a joint up there. So they've been disoriented for the last few days with this tarp. They're a little on edge. We're in the middle of the dearth here, which means the pollen and honey resources are at a minimum. So they're a little testy, but not terrible so far. So I'm going to open up these slats as I go. I'm going to remove this comb and the bees here back, and then work my way up into the next couple slats and repeat the process. So we got a big one here. Probably looking at 5 hours, I'm guessing. Fortunately, it's an easy repair, and then the roofers will be coming in tomorrow right behind me to seal everything up. So don't have a ton to do, but this is definitely long term. You can see the evidence of old comb. There's wax moths, cocoons everywhere, and yep, that's what we're looking at. So going to be a big one. Sweaty already. These are 10-inch boards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5. So that's 5 feet of comb. I have a big sheet right there, a couple in the back here between studs. We got a big one here. This is a big colony.